Bentley Special Mk VI. The gentleman's had for 40 years. Built it, converted it himself from a saloon to a special. He tells me that all them years ago, he gave £13 for the Bentley Mk VI. So it was obviously scrap, but even so, scrap one now affects £2,500 to £3,000 at least. So I'm looking forward to going and seeing it. So that's my plan today.
It was bought in 1972 on the 1st of June at auction. It was in a bit of a state and it required quite a considerable number of hours and effort in order to get it into its present condition. But it's been like that, more or less like that, for 43 years now.
In Ayrshire, Donald Jack is about to part with a car he's owned for more than half of his 80 years and more.
So I'm now 85. There's no doors in the car. You climb in, and I have put a grab handle on there because I can get in easily enough when gravity's on my side, but coming back out, I'm fighting against gravity, and I needed that extra handle. And I'm now getting to the age when I realise it's not a car for an 85-year-old. It's for somebody slightly younger.
So you get the car 43 years ago. What needs doing?
First thing, I had to take the body off, the original body off, and throw that away. That was very badly corroded. The only bit of the original bodywork is the bonnet, the top two sides of the bonnet. I cut the louvers myself on the side panel, learned how to do that, which took a fair bit of time. Now that is a 4.5 litre engine, and it was extensively overhauled with new pistons, new rings, new bearings. It was bought at an auction sale. The auctioneer's receipt for the car, one Bentley car.
What do you reckon you've spent on it since?
I've spent a whole lot of time on it. Not a lot of money because the bits off the original car I was able to sell. I am fairly handy, yes, I do all the work myself, welding and the mechanics and everything else, but I'm an enthusiastic amateur. I have all the equipment necessary in this box. I have spare points, condenser and distributor.
Is that an old glasses case?
It is, yes, indeed. Something, it was the right size and it just fitted on there, so that's what it is. It drives absolutely beautifully. Very nice gearbox. Wee bit of throttle, bit of choke. It's very smooth, very easy, very docile. It can tootle on at quite a bit of speed as well if you want it to. It's not something that's polished. There's road dirt on it, there's oil leaks, there's flies on it. I don't agree with Concours at all. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. We've done lots of things with it, but now's the time for it to go. I would hope I might make 40 on it. So I'm not going to miss it, and I would hope that somebody else will enjoy the car as much as I have and enjoy looking after it as well.
Derek's made it across the border. It's a lovely spring day in Scotland. Roll cameras and cue Strimmer.
Is she okay?
Yes, no problem.
Been looking forward to meeting you.
Well, I've been looking forward to it.
Well, it's lovely. It's very nice of you. Yeah, lovely part of the world. I've enjoyed a run-up. Right, I've been looking forward to seeing the old car.
Well, here it
lovely.
is.
Lovely colour.
Sandra, we're doing some filming here. Could you stop the noise for a moment or two? Right, thank you.
I gather that you started off with a Mk VI.
Yes.
Yeah, which you bought for some ridiculous...
£13 in 1972, 1st of June 1972.
Right. I bet it was a right state.
It had to be extracted and it was covered in pigeon doodah.
Right. Still very cheap, isn't it?
I can't complain. I can't complain.
And this is fiberglass?
Fiberglass.
Lovely. And the seats are out of something orange.
The seats are Reliant Scimitar. I learned to cut the louvers on the side panels there, that's aluminium, and yes. I can cut I could cut louvers any angle, any length. A wee bit of finishing off.
It's absolutely lovely, mate.
Yes.
Don't you run away?
It's had a lot of use.
Absolutely. Wait. Good girl, that's it. She's company, but she don't talk a lot. Well, I'll tell you what shouts to me. 30. What do you think?
I would be happy at 30. I would hope for 40, but I would settle on 30.
Yeah, I think that's its money. Well, I think it's lovely. I think you've done a lovely job. I think it's brilliant. I'll get myself ready if you could bring this up.
Next thing, locate Derek's dog.
Iris! Where she's gone. Oh, God, yeah. Oh, you never see her again. Iris! Come on! Iris! Come on, you. I'll watch you on, or do you want me to put it on? It's
No,
up to
I'm
you.
quite happy to put
Are
on.
you?
Do you want it
Well,
right on?
I'll guide you. We're going to go over them ramps there and onto the front.
Yeah.
This way a touch, not too much. Steady away. That's it. Keep it straight. Yeah. Steady. Woo, back. Hang on.
It helps if you put the brake on.
Slowly. Steady. About 6 inches. That's it. Perfect. Now, I don't like putting them on too hard in case they stick. You must be really careful here.
Yeah, I will
Don't
do.
be starting to fall off. Oh, you're okay. Don't go and step back.
No. Use that in order to get that on. It's a bit of a sad sight, but we've got to be realistic.
Comes to us all, mate. Sooner or later, we've got to bite the bullet, haven't we? Yeah. I'm getting rid of lots of mine. You just can't keep them all forever. It's as simple as that.
You can't.
Come on, Iris. Lovely.
Right, look after it anyway.
I will. Right, I'm going. Lovely. Thank you ever so much.
Right, OK, well, safe journey. Fine.
Lovely job.
Eric,
thank you ever
very
so.
much. Right, safe journey, and don't bend my car.
I will, don't worry.
I haven't bent it in 43 years, so don't you bend it.
I won't bend it, don't you worry.
Yeah, good.
See you soon.
Okie-doke, Derek.
Bye-bye.
That's it. 43 years of enjoyment. But at 85, I'm too old. Unfortunately. This old age is not a good thing. We need a cure for it. Somebody's needing to invent a cure.
The Bentley Special then, me and Grandad had a walk around it the other day. We sort of came to the conclusion it's around that sort of 30,000 mark, and I think for £30,000 it's still an awful lot of money, but it looks an awful lot of car. And credit to the build. They're quite easy to knock, aren't they, these sort of specials? Any sort of special kit car, not that we call them that, but most people who knock them wouldn't stand a chance of actually building one. I wouldn't particularly, if I had the money, go out and get one of these for what it'd cost, but I certainly wouldn't turn an offer down if I could use it on a Sunday, on a nice Sunday, and go out in it. It'd be great, wouldn't it, to have a bit of fun with, and you certainly get some looks, wouldn't you? So, in a nutshell, it's not really my cup of tea, but no, I think someone will love it.
1950 Bentley, the Special. Now this is a lovely car. Submitting the best bid on the day, beautifully engineered, and I've got some really funny bids here.
I have as well.
Have you seen these bids? For £1,000, did you say?
Yeah.
Have you got a bid of £1,000?
I have.
No, well, just forget it. You get yourself sober, will you? Whoever bid £1,000. Here's my highest bid on the day, £39,001. That's all the bid I've got, and that's what I'm going to submit. £39,001. And I've got no other bids to go by. That's all I can do. I've got it on my paper. You couldn't even think to build it for that sort of money. £39,001. Submitting that for you. We get an answer for you very, very quickly. Thank you. There you go. How about that? That's a funny one, wasn't it? Haven't had many like that.
Sadly, the Bentley went back to its owner, who later sold it privately. A fallen-through deal is always a potential outcome, with a submit the best bid sale.
Submit the best bid, I think, is quite useful because it doesn't tie anybody in. So the vendor then has got the final say on the bid on the day. By the same token, the purchaser is not totally committed because it's a provisional sale. So if a guy bids 10,000 quid on a vehicle, I don't expect him to stand on for very long because there might be something that he might be interested in buying and he don't want to. So I say to people, you know, if we can't get you an answer quick enough on car 1, don't let that stop you bidding on lot number 5, because it's not your fault that we can't get an answer. So, and we don't expect you to buy all of them, but we do expect you to stand on one of them. So at the end of the day, until hammer falls, deal agreed, invoice, the car's not sold.
Going head-to-head with Derek's Continental is this top-of-the-shop Bentley Mulsanne Turbo.
I think we have got arguably the best value-for-money car that I've seen forever. When you think that this thing is, well, they're anything from sort of £250,000 upwards, these things. And here we are with a guide of around, I think, £35,000 or £40,000. It's just for nothing, isn't it?
So what is it you like about it?
I think just the quality of the car, but first and foremost, the value for money. You can put £40,000 into an MRST van, can't you? You know, and you think, and then you got less than that in one of these. £25,000 nowadays for a prestigious car isn't a lot of money, is it? Every modern car now is over £25,000, isn't it, really? What can you buy new that's less than £25,000? Really? You know, a family car, you know. And then on the other end of the scale, you can get a very, very usable modern car now for 2,000 or 3,000 quid. So you think, hang on a minute, I can get a very usable, very smart, very presentable modern car for 2,000 or 3,000 quid that does all the work and all the jobs that 30-odd thousand quid, with the money left over, buy yourself a Sunday treat.
Bentley Mulsanne V8 Auto, lot number 760, 2012. Woo. Been some interest in this. Here we go then. I've got all sorts of VO on the start low, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, 28, 29. What a rarity to come in and sound like this. £29,000, 30, 31, I've got 31 with you all the way, 31, 32. £32,000 only, 32,000. All done then, 32,000, full stop, 32.
No sale on the day, but a below estimate offer was accepted later in the week.
There's nothing rides like these Bentleys. So quiet and just glide along the road. I've had them before, but I just thought I'd get another one just for special occasions, and that's all I use it for.
92-year-old Phil Ramsey has landed the car for all those special occasions, the Bentley Mulsanne.
This came up and I decided I'd buy another one. They made an offer for it and my offer was accepted, and I finished it with another Bentley. I just went on the description that David had done. He just said it was just fantastic condition. They don't come any better. It's the quality of the build. You don't find cars like this anymore anywhere. The craftsmanship is unbelievable. If you look around that, there's no cheap plastic in it. It's all first-class materials that it's made from, and it's difficult to fault it. 6 3/4 litre twin turbo, it really powerful motor.
Is there a petrol station nearby?
Well, there is. There's plenty up there. You need them as well. It's not bad actually on fuel. Get on a motorway, it'll do about 20, which is for this car, this size and this weight, I think is excellent.
20 to a gallon?
Yeah. You've got to drive one of these to believe just how nice and smooth they are, you know. It responds, and you put your foot down with that, it goes like a sports car.
Eager to road test Phil's new wheels is Ben, the Border Collie.
Is he allowed in?
No, he's not allowed in, but he will be in if he gets half a chance. Yeah. Oh dear, oh dear. I told you, Ben. Come on, boy. That's a good dog.
He's a good listener, isn't he?
He is, but he doesn't always take notice, as you can see. Ben, come here. He failed as a sheepdog, I think because he didn't obey the commands. Everybody looks at it and gives it more than a second glance. I don't feel like anybody special. I just enjoy the ride, enjoy driving it, you know.